Welcome to part 1. In this section, we're going to dive into the PicMonkey homepage. Once you're logged in, there are multiple ways to start a project. You can open an image from your computer, choose a blank canvas, templates, start a collage, and more. You can also click on the big plus button and see those same options. You'll also see some featured templates. These are just a few of thousands. If you click on it, you can preview it and click Customize to edit. And you'll also see some of our favorite sizes for blank canvases. On the left-hand side, you'll see a search bar. There you can type in the name of your files. For example, if I type in logo, any file I have named logo will come up. This is also where you'll find your brand kit. In your brand kit, you can upload your logos, your color palette, and you can choose designs made in PicMonkey and save them as templates. If you're looking for advice or inspiration, our Resource Center is a great place to find information for beginners or advanced designers to help guide users to the best possible outcome.